Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at CAD yen. Right, so I just want to start off with the daily chart. And the daily chart, we just want to focus on this current area. Right now, price made a push down and came back up. All right, the momentum that's carrying it, I'm thinking could come back up to this graphical resistance level. So I'm just going to put a graphical resistance level here. I'm going to call this the daily resistance. All right, there isn't any clear graphical support. So let's quickly dive into the 4-hour chart. So what we have here right now is the 4-hour chart. I just want to show you guys something. Right, price has sort of been making a constant push up. Okay, every time price makes a strong push, it pauses. It makes a strong push, it pauses, and it makes a strong push, it pauses. So we can expect it to make another strong push up. All right, we can follow price action and use this as sort of a zigzag to see whether the daily resistance falls in line with a Fibonacci extension level. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. We open up all Fibonacci ratios and we see that it falls right at the 88%, quite close to the 100% as well. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the 88% level. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so we have the 88% level. All right, and what I'm thinking is price could very well make a push higher. Okay, and we can also, because this is one movement, right, we can use the retracement tool from the low to the high, and we see that price is actually testing the 50% level. Okay, so we can draw a support, a daily 4-hour support over here. Okay, we have a 4-hour support, right? And there's also, if I change to a line chart, there's also this graphical overlap, all right, which can act as somewhat like a stop loss. If I change a candlestick, it's actually quite close to the 61.8, all right, or even the 76.4 is holding in between. Okay, but I'm just going to highlight the 50% and the graphical overlap. Okay, so let's quickly dive into the 1 hour. I just want to show you guys something on the 1-hour chart. Okay, remember this is our final target, all right, our daily target, so to say. Okay, and then this is our 61.8 kind of stop loss level. So I'm just going to call this the stop loss. Okay, and this can be our buy entry. All right, why I'm fairly certain that this is a buy entry, okay, is because price made a low, made a high, right? It made a higher low, it made a higher high, okay, and it made a higher low. We connect all these lows, okay, with a trend line. Okay, we see that price tap once, tap twice, it's coming close a second time, or price can even possibly be holding around this area right now. Okay, so we can play all the way up above this bounce. Okay, let me just change the order. Okay, I just want to call this the final take profit. Okay, and of course we can have a partial take profit, which is this graphical swing high here. Right, so this can be the partial take profit. All right, so what this means is when price comes up to the partial take profit, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even just slightly beyond my buy entry, so it covers the swaps and commission costs. And if price really comes back down after that and takes me out, it's fine because I will have already taken partial profit. All right, we can also even look at indicators. Okay, we can look at indicators. All right, the MACD is still above zero, though the bullish move is slightly less. Okay, but the MACD is still above zero. Right, and even the moving average. Okay, the moving average, when 10 is a bit too sensitive on the 1 hour, so you can change to like 34. Something you see the 34 holds when market is in an uptrend. Okay, and 34, the price is still above the 34 moving average as well. Okay, so this is a very short analysis for today's trade of the day, the CAD yen. All right, seems like a good opportunity, but at the same time, please always do your own due diligence. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best and take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.